Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and S&P 500 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a daily analysis with the opening of the market to see what's gonna happen today, what to expect. And yesterday also we made a daily close where we were expecting to close inside the blue box. This is exactly what we got. And we are expecting to be finishing here a wave B, which we have done. Obviously, we are looking right now for a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside. This is exactly what we would like to see. On the 15-minute chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3. This is your wave 4. Your wave 5 might unfold, of course, today. Hopefully to see, of course, higher prices. Now, don't forget, there is always some indication for moving lower, and those indications are given at the price action here. So this might be our invalidation of bullish scenario, where you might see, of course, a potential moving towards the downside again in case you take this price. You don't want to see a wave 4 in case you are still in a wave 4 to take, of course, this price, because it might, of course, move towards the downside. So we might still be looking therefore into a bigger wave B. Nobody knows. But basically, I would say it is more than enough to finish this wave B, especially that we are in an aggressive recovery market. It is an aggressive leading diagonal. We're looking for, of course, something to unfold toward the upside as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so this is my potential scenario. Don't forget, it can be also 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 1, finished wave 2, and you're looking to a wave 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. Your wave 1, 2 also can be finished or not yet. Remember, with this sideways that we saw, of course, for to finish, of course, here. But basically, I would say that this can be even like finished impulse, yeah, and this can be already as well a wave 2. But let me check, since we have hit, by the way, those box, no need for it. Let me check the fib levels here, right? So so basically we have hit already, those are fib levels almost for wave 2 actually. So higher potential here, I would say, yeah, that we have finished a wave 2. I believe this is a wave 2, meaning today I'm looking at this 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, and this is internally 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 unfolding toward the upside. We're gonna see targets potentially in confluence. Let's see if we get some wave 3 impulse. Yep, so these are potentially our targets. If we get an extended wave, okay, then we can get the 2.618, but very rare case. Unless we get very aggressive move towards the upside. Higher potential is a common target, 1.618, and then wave 4, then wave 5. All what I care about is just to take the high, guys. This is all what I care about, finishing here as a zigzag. And after this, I'm looking, of course, for a correction. So basically, what I'm looking for is right now is 20K, which is very psychological number, guys. So be careful as well. It might be, of course, psychological and moving a little bit retracing towards the downside, but it might be your wave 4 and then wave 5. So let's move to the SPX after. So the SPX is also as expected today, and we were expecting yesterday with a daily close somewhere here that we need to see a wave 4 and potentially wave 5, and that the SPX is a little bit behind the Nasdaq, with a little bit one wave behind. And we can see here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3 finished. This is your wave 4, and you might get a wave 5 today, finishing wave A, and therefore a wave B might unfold, and then of course continuation for wave C. So basically I would say that here we have only finished now wave 4. We're looking for the wave 5 and the wave A to be done after this continuation for this trend. Be careful, again, the signal of invalidation for the bullish is exactly given at this price. Still, it is still the same because we are still in a wave 4 and we're looking for the 5. Yeah. So nothing has changed, guys. Today I'm still looking, of course, for a little bit higher continuation. For the blue box or not, it's not necessarily, or what I care about is getting, of course, right now an impulse, whether finishing wave 5 or showing a one more leg C. In that case, I will take this as a potential finished impulse here for a wave A, B, and a C. So today, in both case scenario, you should look for higher. You should seek, of course, for higher. Hopefully, of course, no financial advice, guys. Of course, it can go the way for deeper until the invalidation. So once you break this, I can confirm, therefore, of course, that we are moving down. Not necessarily directly, but it can be just like this and then moving down. This indication means, of course, interruption of the impulse, and that means, of course, we're looking to take this low. Yep, so that was it for the SPX and the Nasdaq, both updates for the daily. Trade safe, have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.